The Great Habitat Adventure. Hello, friends. Let's go on a big adventure to find animal homes called habitats. Our first stop is the forest. It is full of tall trees and green plants. It feels cool and shady here. Listen closely. Who is chattering up in that tree? It's a busy squirrel hiding nuts for winter. Look down. Crawling slowly on a branch is a little green caterpillar. It loves to munch on leaves. Deep in the forest, a brown bear is looking for yummy berries and honey. This is its perfect home. Next, we drive to the warm grassland. It has lots of tall, yellow-green grass and very few trees. Can you see that animal with the long neck? It's a tall giraffe eating the highest leaves. Running fast, fast, fast across the open land is a spotted cheetah. It is the fastest cat. In the tall grass, a huge gray elephant is using its trunk to spray water and cool down. The grassland is sunny and wide, giving these big animals lots of space to roam and play. Now, let's visit the hot and sandy desert. It is very dry here, and it gets hot in the day and cold at night. Wow, look at that animal with the big hump. It's a camel. It can walk for days without water. Hiding under a rock is a slithery snake. Snakes like the warm sand of the desert. Up in the sky, a big hawk is circling, looking for food. The desert is a tricky home. Next, we climb up to the mountains. It is rocky and steep and sometimes very cold, up high. Look at that clever animal jumping from rock to rock. It's a mountain goat. Its hooves are perfect for climbing. Now we dive into the aquatic habitat, the water. The deep blue ocean, marine, is full of fish. Swimming with a smile is a friendly dolphin. And look, a giant blue whale is singing a song. Brr. Our last stop is the cold, icy polar region. It is covered in snow and ice all the time. Walking on the ice is a black and white penguin. This freezing habitat is the only home a polar bear loves. We found all the habitats. Good job, explorers.